everyone, this is Teal from Maxizm Construction Machinery Company, which focuses on machinery exporting for 14 years. Today we are at Qingdao Port to see the XCMG XE135B Excavator exported to Kenya. Now let's see the cruiser and bucket. Let's focus on the cruiser. The cruiser width is 500 millimeters and the cruiser gauge is 1990 millimeters. The bucket can be equipped with 0.3 to 0.6 cubic meter bucket for different working conditions. Let's see the carbon. The premium operator station with big space and superior visibility. You can choose air conditioner and heating systems if you need. It is equipped with an ISUZU energy rated at 86 kW. We are the largest construction machinery export group in China. We have different companies in different cities, which have deep cooperation with local factories. Hope to be a partner with you. See you next time.